Hello friends, I am Param and you are watching my channel Param Computers. Today I received this PC from my friend. Actually this PC is in dead condition because he said the PC little bit turns on but not giving a display. So let's try to check. You can see friends, one thing is missing in this PC. 24 pin connector is removed already, and one thing is missing in this PC. You can see no fan on the heatsink. It shows that this PC is fanless edition for very light use, and also this PC has DDR2 RAM type. Currently 1 GB RAM is running in this PC. Let's try to connect this 24 pins. So now I'm going to turn on this PC. Let's try to check. And you can see I have not pressed any power button, but PC start by itself. Let's try to check if it give display or not. You can see red color. Restart it. It giving red color display. You can see the problem is still same. So first of all, I load system default setting. I will hit yes and then F10 to save the settings, but you can see the problem is still same. I'm going to replace this cell because this cell is working. Second thing is to reset its BIOS settings to default settings. You can see this thing is to reset BIOS settings to default setting. So I have to change this pin and connect first wire and second wire. Actually this pin already on wrong position because first pin, you can see this first pin, this is first pin and second pin. If I short these two wires by using of this jumper, so now this thing is normal position. If I short second and third pin, so it means PC will automatically clear BIOS settings and it will automatically set on default settings. I hope you understand friends. So now let's try to turn on this PC again. You can see now our problem is fixed. So now what things can I do with this very low profile PC? Maybe I will connect one cooling fan over there to prevent of overheating. Also this main chip also overheating too much. It is very hard to put my finger on this chip because this chip is now getting overheat. First of all, I disassemble everything, remove everything, and then I will wash its PC case, and then I will think about that what more efforts I will do with this motherboard to prevent of overheating, and then it will give a little bit better performance. the power supply condition is clean, so I will use just normal brush or this blower. Try to clean this, but the condition of this motherboard is just normal. First of all, I try to open this heatsink. So this is very basic motherboard. That main chip is soldered on the motherboard. So this thing is unupgradable. Those motherboards who having onboard graphics, means onboard chip like this, that's soldered on the motherboard, so it means they are unupgradable. Yes, if you want to upgrade its RAM and memory, and for now the hard disk running with this system, so you can go for SSD. But actually the important part is to upgrade this thing, and this thing is impossible to upgrade, because these type of motherboards are very useless and very low profile. The motherboard condition is dusty. You can see dust is on the ports and also PC board. So let's first of all clean this dust. I did some changes in this motherboard. First change I did that I installed mini cooling fan on this main heatsink, and because this motherboard was fanless edition. Second thing I did, the chip inside of this heatsink was overheating, so I used this heatsink to keep its temperature under in control. This thing is still for very normal use. I have a better option than to use this one, because today I bought something in offline market, this H61 motherboard with Intel Core i3 processor of 2nd generation with 2 GB of RAM. This RAM is 1 GB and 1 GB is next one, so that's one. Sata M1 slot available in this motherboard. Also you can see this motherboard has 2 USB ports on the top, VGA, HDMI, 4 ports of USB. These 6 ports are 2.0 version and Ethernet and some ports of audio. Mini PCI accessing slot. I just think this thing is best than this one. Let's install this motherboard in our PC case. We already aligned the wires and installed the hard disk already. Friends, I hope you also agree with this decision, because this thing is better than this one. Our PC is ready, so now I'm going to install Windows 10 and my bootable is already ready. So now I'm going to connect this USB to this PC. Here I will go to boot option and then go to hard disk, BBS, priorities, USB bootable to first number, and second is our PC hard disk. Now I'm going to hit F10 to save this setting and then hit enter. You can see our USB pen drive is read by the system. In my case, i3 processors support 64-bit architecture, but in this case this PC having only 2 GB of RAM, so I will go for 32-bit architecture. If I have 4 GB RAM, so then I will go for 64-bit. But for now this system having only 2 GB of RAM, so that's why I'm going with 32-bit architecture. I am having original drivers of this motherboard. This is the video of this old PC, that how I changed my decision to give it new life in my style. Okay friends, thanks for watching. See you in another video.